couch.me guitar lessons. Hey there, Licknriffers, and welcome back to another awesome arrangement lesson here on Licknriff, in which you're gonna learn Yesterday by the Beatles. This is a revisit of an arrangement that I made over a decade ago, and I intentionally left out one chord, and I keep hearing about this ever since, so here we go. A full arrangement with that missing chord. Goes like this. I'm gonna play it for you first, then we're gonna learn it with tabs on the screen. Enjoy. Alright, so you start with G, okay, and you hammer on 2 on the 3rd string, and then play the 3rd string open. Okay, now you can play it any way you want. You can play it as a block chord. You can strum it, okay, a mock strum, okay. Instead of this, just do it with your fingers, one after the other, okay. Just like this. Hey, try it, it's nice. But you can also do this. Okay, it sounds great. Both options are valid. And now the missing chord. In the original, I went right from G to B7. Okay? And then now I did this because I loved the way that the melody lines sounded. Okay? But, as I said, many people have left comments that the arrangement was beautiful but incomplete. So, if you want to play the complete version, play this F sharp minor 7 and 11. Okay, this is... You can also call it just F sharp minor 11. So it's the open 2nd string with 2-2-2 on strings 3, 4, and 6. So you get this. Okay? The 11 is this. It's the same as calling it sus, but it's not sus because you have the minor 3rd in it. And that's why it sounds like a suspended chord. So, and then you have this. Back to B7, right? Which the original had here, okay, instead of the F sharp minor. So this, and then you have 0, 2, slide to 4 with your little finger on the 2nd string. Okay, and then I bar the 2nd fret and I play strings 2, 3, and 5. So it's... Now, it's intentional. It's not It's not ta 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 ta, it's ta 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 ta. Okay, it's this. You need to hear this note before you slide. Okay, so right? So got it? And then 0, 2, 3 on the first string, and then you have E minor with 2, 0, 0 on the first string. It's just open strings 1, 2, 3, and 6. Okay, so this is the idea. And then you play D and C. Okay, you play them any way you want. The melody, okay, is on the second string, so you can play the chords without the first string if you want. But even if you play it, it's part of the chord. Okay? And then you have the open E string, then you have D7, but like this. It's a C7 shape, up 2 frets. Okay, it's C7, up 2 frets. And I play strings 2 to 5. And then you have, okay, it's 5 slide to 4 on the third string, and then 2 on the third. Okay, so you have, then you have C, G, G with the melody note on the second string. So this time you have to play it 1, 0, 0. Then you have 2 on the bass, and then you have E minor, strings 3 and then 2. Okay, I just play the bass with it. That's it, it's all open. Then you have A. Okay, now the idea here is this. It's strings 3 and then 4. So you can, again, you can forgo the second string and just play. But this time I chose to play it. You know, to hear that A major chord. Then you have C, G, G again, but this time the notes are on the third string and then the second string. Got it? So there you have it, the verse, G, and then F sharp minor 11, a travesty corrected. Okay, and then you have the B7 chord. Okay, I can hammer on the 3. And then C, G, G, E minor, A, C, G, G. Then you have the chorus, and again you play F sharp minor 11 to B7. This time it's an open position B7. Okay, so you can just play it, arpeggiate it. Then you have E minor, D, C, with 3 on the first string with your little finger. Okay, so it's E minor, D, C, and then D with a pull off to 0 on the first string. Okay, so it's. Then you have D7 over A. Okay, that's a handy way to remember this position. This is actually A minor 6. It's not really D7 over A, but you can call it that. So it's A minor 6. And then the whole line is this. And then the open E string, and then D again with the second string as the melody. And then the open string with G with the second string as the melody. Okay, so you have D, G. Then again, and then D again. This time it's 2 on the first string. And then you have G with 3 on the first string and 3, 1, 0 on the second. And there you have it. A travesty of justice against music. Corrected. People don't like when you change a classic on them, so I apologize. My mistake. Download the tab for free. The link is below in the description, the entire Licknriff tab book. You can help me produce more lessons via Patreon, patreon.com/Licknriff. Or you can treat yourself to one of my courses. When you go download the tab, scroll down a little bit, okay? There's a sale going on as well. Scroll down, check out the courses, the Licknriff courses, and choose the one that's right for you. It's everything from complete beginner to advanced players. All right, so you can join the thousands of members already enjoying and having guitar breakthroughs on a daily basis. So thank you for watching. I will see you the next lesson. Bye for now. Have fun.